Welcome, here I've got REALME X3 SuperZoom and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. It gives us access to 3 other buttons. For now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and from here let's slide a little bit down to the photo settings, and as you can see here we have the grid. So by using this button we can easily turn on and turn off the camera gridlines like that. This is how it works. And for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera preview. And as you can see here it generates as these lines. This is helpful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can see them at the real picture. These lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need it we can easily turn it off by going again to the settings from the right and here and tapping on this button to turn it off. As you can see for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.